What's up, everybody? It's the 1B, and I'm going to be doing some work in Photoshop. And basically what we're going to be using is, excuse me, I have a video editing thumbnail template, which is basically a thumbnail template for any of my videos that are about video editing. And so what we need to do is we basically just have to come in here. I'm going to hit T, which is going to give me the text tool. Wait, I have to have the Photoshop selected first. We're going to hit T, and we're going to go ahead in here, and we're going to select this, and we're going to call this, what is this, video editing squared, DEFCON, thumbnail. We're going to stretch this out just so that the video is right where it needs to be, or the text. We're going to go ahead and hit that. We're going to click V, and V is going to allow me to move this a bit. So we're going to move this down till it tells me it's at 50. So we're going to actually move that down 1, because if you hold this and select this, it shows that it's 48 pixels. That seems off. 49 pixels from the 1B. Yep, that's the same. So, and then from here to there, it's 48. That is weird, considering that I just did it on a different one and it said it was 50. So 49 and 48. Well, regardless, we want it up this way a little bit. We're going to go, oh, I bet this was a little bit, I bet this needs to be, this could probably go like a pixel smaller, this text box. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to center that. So make sure if you're going to use the centering thing that you have it on canvas. And that's pretty much it. Oh no, wait, we got to do one more thing. Come up to video editing. Come up to here. We're going to type in a 2, which is going to make that go away. And we're going to go ahead and select, whoops, that's my fault, this 2. And we're going to make it a superscript. Just going to make it like, so it's squared, because this is video editing squared. And the terminology on that is basically that, go ahead and hit V, make that sure it's okay. Click V, and then we're going to center that one. So the terminology on video editing squared is basically that this is, and I'm probably thinking about making a new thumbnail for this section. And basically the idea is that, squared means that I'm video editing a video about video editing. I'm video editing a video editing video. So it's 2 layers deep of video editing, and so that's why I'm calling it video editing squared. I haven't come up with really good terms for this yet, and I have a video. I'm looking down here because OBS is down here. Did I already save as? No. So we're going to save as, and so I have an idea for a video explaining this process that I have, and maybe I'll do that next weekend. So we'll see how that goes. What am I doing? What is the name of this video? The name of this video is Video Editing Squared DEFCON Thumbnail. Go ahead and hit Control C. I'm doing that because we're going to go in here and we're going to go ahead and Control V that, and we're going to hit save, and then we're going to come here and we're going to do export quick PNG. And the difference here is I'm going to add a couple things. We're going to hit version 1, excuse me, on that part, and we're going to add a dash here. And this is basically so it allows you to select each individual word if you need to, and supposedly the dashes work better with search engine optimization. So we're going to go ahead and click save there, and that's it. So I'm going to put this on YouTube, on the thumbnail, on the video for the thumbnail. Those will be organized and scheduled for this week, so watch out for those. And while I go and do that, hopefully you go and check out another one of my videos, and I will talk to everyone later. Peace. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and if you did, please click the circle in the middle to subscribe. The rectangle on your left is another video. The rectangle on your right is a playlist of other videos that you may enjoy. Thanks again. Peace.